Dreams have intrigued humans for centuries, and while there's no single answer to what they tell us, various theories suggest different ways to interpret them. Psychological insights. Sigmund Freud famously suggested that dreams are a window into our unconscious mind, revealing hidden desires and unresolved conflicts. Carl Jung expanded this idea, proposing that dreams can offer insights into our personal development and collective unconscious. Emotional processing. Dreams may help process emotions and experiences. They can reflect our daily lives, concerns, and stresses, sometimes providing a way to work through unresolved issues or anxieties. Problem solving. Some research suggests that dreams can aid in problem solving and creativity. The brain may work through problems and generate novel ideas while dreaming. Cognitive function. Dreams might be related to cognitive functions such as memory consolidation and brain organization. During REM rapid eye movement sleep, the brain is highly active, and dreaming could be part of how we process and store memories. Biological and neurological perspectives. From a biological standpoint, dreams could be a byproduct of brain activity during sleep. Some theories propose that dreaming is a result of random neural firing, with the brain trying to make sense of these signals. Cultural and personal symbolism. Dreams often have personal or cultural symbolism. What a dream means can vary greatly depending on individual experiences, beliefs, and cultural background. Ultimately, the meaning of dreams can be deeply personal and subjective. While there are general theories and interpretations, the significance of dreams often depends on the individual and their unique context.